Solving a quadratic by hand means plugging its numbers into the quadratic formula, key by key. Even for a simple one, that's a lot of typing, and you've still only got one of the two answers. Let's put a program on the calculator that finds both solutions for you. Start by plugging your calculator into your computer with a USB cable, and make sure it's turned on. Click the link in the description to open the quadratic formula program page. Then click Connect Your Calculator, pick the TI-84 Evo in the pop-up, and hit Connect. Now click Send to Calculator, and a few seconds later, the program's on your calculator. Over on the calculator, press the Program key. Choose TI Basic, and there's our quadratic program, called Quad. Press Enter to grab it, and Enter again to run it. Now let's solve the problem at the top of the screen, x squared minus 5x plus 6. It just needs the three coefficients, a, b, and c. Type your three numbers, 1, -5, and 6. Both answers come right up, x equals 3 and x equals 2. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.